and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn how to properly put on lashes. I think lashes was like one of the hardest things that I had to learn when it came to makeup, and I would like to say that by now I've kind of got it down, and I get a lot of questions about it on IG, so I figured I would do a tutorial for you guys here on YouTube. Okay, so we were lucky enough to get some lashes from Bonsu Beauty, a handful of them, and I am very excited because listen, I run through lashes like I run through my underwear. So these I am very excited to have. So let's jump right into the tutorial. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab my glue. The glue that I like to use is the Duo Brush On Adhesive. Listen, when it comes to lashes and glue, everybody and their preference, you know. I personally, this is by far my favorite one. I used to use the hair glue, and it was actually causing a lot of problems. Like I would wake up, it was just a lot. So I gratefully, thankfully found this one, and I love it. Like I don't even think I'll ever trade it in. I love this so much that I actually went ahead and ordered 5 of them because I don't want to run out. But everybody and their preference, everybody likes what they like, and I'm not here to judge anybody because you can't judge me. So what I am going to do, this is of course a brush on, as you guys can see. So what I'm going to do is take the brush, and I'm actually going to go ahead and apply the glue where the lash will be placed. So basically the same place that you placed your eyeliner, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one. Okay, so now that I have that down, I'm just gonna go ahead and grab my lashes. I love this method because you don't overdo the glue, and it doesn't take as long to put on. I feel like when you put it right on the lashes, like you gotta wait for it to dry. You gotta do all this extra stuff that nobody has time for. So I'm gonna take my lashes, and the lashes that I am using is Burkina Faso, and this is by Bonsu Beauty. Looks like this, so pretty. Now because it's not a lot of glue, it does dry quick, so you gotta move fast. So I grab my lashes and I just place it on. So I grab my lashes and I just place it right on my lash line. Just place it there, and once it's there, you go ahead and do the outer corner first. Once you get the outer corner in, you just go ahead and do the inner corner. So I went ahead and I grabbed my tweezers because my nails are long and it was hard for me to do it. But you just want to take the tweezer and you just want to take the tweezer and just use it to make sure that that the lash is actually on the glue, you know, like just push it in and make sure that it sticks. And then you go ahead and you do the same thing for the inner corner. It's very easy, guys, because the glue is already on your lash line. So in order to do this, you want to make sure that you're looking down at your mirror. That kind of helps you see exactly where you're placing it. Like if you're looking straight ahead, it's going to be hard, but if you're looking down at your mirror, it's very easy to do. So as you guys can see, this one dried out because I took too long. So I'm just gonna go ahead and repeat the step with the glue. We're just gonna give it a little bit of time to dry because I just applied it. So I'm just blowing it off a little, and then again go in with your lashes. I'm gonna place it on middle first, then the end. You're just gonna hold it in place a little because this glue wasn't really dry. There you go. Then we're gonna come in. This part already laid. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this mini lash curl that I got from Morphe brushes, and I am just going to curl my lash. Just curl the lash, girl. Just kind of secure it, make sure it's in place, kind of give it a little curl, you know. Yo, these lashes are gorgeous. And that's it. Honestly, your lashes are on. It's not that deep. It's not that serious. That's how I apply my lashes. Nothing complicated. Listen, get you a glue that has the little brush thing on it. I feel like those are so much easier to use. I think the Duo glues, I believe I got them for like $5.99. I will leave the link and everything in the description box if you guys want to check that out. So I hope this tutorial was very helpful. Let me know what you think. Leave your comments and everything in the comment section below. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.